Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, finally we can see some correction on gold. This is a big relief for all of us because gold was trading in a very dangerous zone. We were skeptical whether to buy or sell because buying was also high risk, selling was also high risk at the same time. Because market cannot go up continuously or market cannot go down continuously. There needs to be some sort of retracement and corrections. And finally, we can see that we have the correction on gold. Okay, and the weekly closing was extremely important or crucial. And at one point, market made us believe that finally 2800 is coming, but ultimately market closed above 2850. So this was big. Okay, and if we look at the market sentiment, we can see gold set to record worst week in 3 months on robust dollar. Gold moves lower for second day as report shows key US inflation measure is in January. Gold traded lower for a second day early on Friday as the dollar rose after key US inflation measure is last month. So market is believing that because of the strength on US dollar, gold is under pressure. But is this a very big news that can bring gold towards 2600, 2500? I don't think so. Because if we look at the chart of DXY, then DXY undoubtedly is trying to recover, is going for a trend reversal, but the road is not going to be an easy one. And if you have been trading on gold for the last couple of years, probably you have also noticed that the candle by candle correlation is no longer valid. When there's a big move on dollar, then we see the impact on gold. But the brotherly relation, doesn't exist. So I personally believe that as a position trader, swing trader, if you're looking for a buy around 2500, 2600, chances are very less, very slim that we are going to see those levels. So 2800, 2850 are the key levels for this market. So are we going to witness a heavy fall or on gold right now? I don't think so, because as we all know, we need a big fundamental reason for a complete trend reversal. Do we have a big fundamental reason? No, we don't have. Dollar is bullish, so we can see some pressure on gold, and correction was also important. Market closing above, listen to me carefully, market closing above 2850 gave us the indication that obviously when the correction will be over, gold will be bullish again. Gold will be continuing the overall trend, because we still cannot deny the fact that market is still very much bullish. And on the Forex chart, market has taken support around the 200 moving average. Forex time frame is a very reliable time frame, and 200 moving average is also the most powerful moving average. So if you're a positional trader, if you're a swing trader, then I think you need to be ready, because if market trades comfortably above 2850 on Monday, then you can enter with a buy position during the US session. Do not go for a big lot size. Initially go with a small buy. If you see market trading comfortably above 2850 on Tuesday or Wednesday, then you can enter again. But initially you can go with a small lot size on Monday if market trades above 2850 on Monday. But if you see market going below 2850 on Monday, then you don't need to enter. Wait for 2800, 2810, because 2800 or 2810 will give you a better discounted price. So my dear position traders and swing traders, if you're looking for a new position in the market, then 2850 can be the level from where we can see some upside on gold. But you need to wait for Monday. If market continues to trade comfortably above 285, then only enter with a small lot. Otherwise, 2800 or around 2800, we will get a better price. And why 2800, if you're wondering, already we have discussed in our previous videos also that 2800 is a round number, psychological support for the market, and technically also the previous resistance will be working as the support here. Moreover, we have the 50 moving average coming up. So we have too many factors or too many reasons to look for a buy around 2800. And in this situation where we don't have a big fundamental reason, I don't think so gold will be going for a free fall. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Keep in touch with the news, because any news during the weekend, okay, will make gold crazy on Monday. Are you a skilled trader looking for capital to scale your success? Then, my dear friends, welcome to Audacity Capital, where talent meets opportunity. In a world where pro firms come and go, it is very difficult to find a trusted pro firm these days. At Audacity Capital, they have been funding traders since 2012, older than FTMO, 5%ers, and proving that they are here for the long run. When I started trading in the year 2019, it was my first pro firm too. And with the funded trader program, you can get a capital up to $500,000 and keeping a profit of 75 to 90%. Okay, and no hidden fees, no gimmicks. Unlike traditional platforms, they also provide instant funding, real growth, and unlimited potential to earn. So there's no pressure, no hidden rules. Okay, you just need to trade at your own pace. They provide ability challenges where you need to pass phase 1 and phase 2 so that you can get the live account. And if you do not want to go for these phase 1, phase 2 or challenges and get instant funding, then you just need to select the funded trader option here. In funded trader, they provide account sizes of 7,500, 15,000 and 60,000. But if you're looking for a bigger capital, then you need to go with the ability challenges. Okay, so once you pass phase 1 and phase 2 both the challenges, then only you'll get access to the live account. So those who do not have capital, okay, you must go for prop firm, because trading is a capital intensive business that we cannot deny it. So join thousands of traders who have transformed their career, their life, and join Audacity Capital. You can use the code Avilash5 for 5% discount, and you'll also find a link in the description. And now let's talk about the day trading opportunities for Monday, because most of us are day traders. For example, okay, when gold started falling, okay, was I holding a sell position? Obviously no, because okay, yes, I'm giving you lecture right now, but that doesn't mean okay that I'm a perfect trader. No, I also have my own challenges. Okay, I still have my patience issues. Okay, I'm still trying hard to become a good swing trader, but okay, I don't think so. Okay, I'll be able to succeed, but still, I'm trying my best. Okay. Anyways, if you look at the chart of gold right now, okay, there's a dotted line here and on the middle. Okay, the dotted line is the 2850. So market staying above 2850 on Monday will be crucial. So on Monday after the market opening, okay, if you see gold going up, okay, then the first selling opportunity can can be around 2866, 2867. How much you can expect? Initially your TP1 will be 40 pips. After 40 pips, if you see the market is under pressure or market is still forming a big red candle, then you can go for 70 to 80 pips, but initially 40 pips only. 2866, 2867 is a first level where you can look for a sell position, and a second selling opportunity is around 2877, 2878. This is our second opportunity on the chart of gold where we can look for a sell as a day trader. As a swing trader or position trader, only look for buy position, because nobody can deny this yellow metal is limited on this planet Earth, so it is bullish always fundamentally. So as a swing trader, position trader, you should always be looking for buy position. Buy at dip should be your permanent strategy. Okay. Anyways, okay, 2866, 2867 and 2877, 2878. These are the two levels where you can look for a sell position on gold on Monday. Why? Let me show you the reason. Okay. So we have used FIBO here, my beloved FIBO. So we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level on around 2866. Moreover, you can see the previous support will be working as resistance. Around 2877, we have the same logic here. FIBO 50% retracement level. The previous support will be working as resistance, and moreover, we have the 50 moving average. So these are the two levels, okay, where we can look for a sell. Initially 40 pips. If the sell continues, we can hold a sell position here. And on Friday, yesterday, gold made a low of 2833. So taking a sell directly below 2833 can be risky, because you may be a victim of false breakout. So try to understand the logic here. See, what is the structure of the market? The structure of the market is like this. Okay. So if you take a sell, okay, if you take a sell below 2833, do not look for a free fall, because after 30-40 pips, market will be going up again. Okay, that is a big problem. So if you see, okay, if you look for a sell below 2833, then after 30-40 pips exit. Or the second scenario is, okay, when market will be coming down to 2833 zone again. Okay, and if market consolidates, if you see the market is consolidating around 2835 2834 area for 1 or 2 hours, then there's a high chance that the breakdown will be a big one, because for any breakout or breakdown, okay, consolidation is important. If you see market going below 2833 without consolidation, there's a high chance that breakdown will not be a big one. Okay, if you see market breaking 2833 off with consolidation, or so after consolidation, that can be a big one. Okay, so 2833 is a level where you can look for a sell below it. Okay, just make sure, okay, it is after consolidation. And the next buying opportunity on the chart of gold is around 2814. Okay, 2814, this line here, because you can see we have some support around this area, and ultimately, okay, 2800. So all eyes on 2800 right now. Okay, so swing traders, positional traders, day traders, if you see market taking support around this area, we all can enter. But before that, day traders can expect a bounce around 2814 because of previous support around this area. And moreover, okay, moreover, we also have our beloved FIBO, I guess. Okay, yeah, we also have FIBO 38.2% retracement level around this area, 2814, 2815. So these are the trading opportunities for for day traders. Okay, and keep in mind, okay, these are not the permanent levels. If you see that there is a sudden buying power or selling power on one day because of some news during the weekend, okay, then you need to be cautious, because no level is permanent in the market. But we are traders, our capital is limited. We cannot gamble with our hard-earned money blindly. Respect your money. Think about your family. Okay. So whenever you'll feel the gambling urge, we all have a gambler inside us. Okay. Always think about your family first. Okay. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely